Have you ever wondered how the International Space Station is able to completely avoid space debris as it hurls around Earth at a speed of 15,500 miles per hour? Well, the short answer is it doesn't always. Recently, a piece of space trash has collided with the ISS, puncturing and damaging their space station remote manipulator system, also called the Canadarm2, a 20-year-old robotic arm on the outside of the station, which aids in the maneuvering of cargo shuttles and helping with space station maintenance. The hole was first noticed during a routine inspection, but astronauts say it hasn't damaged the arm beyond function. Here's what the Canadian Space Agency had to say about the situation, quote, "The damage is limited to a small section of the arm boom and thermal blanket. Canadarm2 is continuing to conduct its planned operations, but this is unlikely to be an isolated incident as the space station continues its storied orbit. Last year, the station was forced to undertake emergency maneuvers 3 times in order to avoid debris. Right now, more than 23,000 pieces of space junk are being tracked as they spin around the Earth at unnerving speeds, all about the size of a softball or larger. But the real issue is dealing with anything smaller than that, because at that size, it gets too difficult to track."